Did you know that most millionaires follow the same set of financial principles? If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck or want to build real wealth, then these 5 financial principles will change your life. Stay until the end because I'll share a bonus tip that even most finance experts don't talk about. Financial success isn't about luck, it's about understanding key principles that guide your money decisions. Today, I'll break down 5 essential financial principles that wealthy people live by. Master these and you'll be on your way to financial freedom. Let's get started. The wealthy always prioritize saving and investing before spending. Set up automatic transfers to savings and investment accounts every time you get paid. Aim to save at least 20% of your income before paying bills or buying anything else. Why? Because if you don't pay yourself first, you'll always find ways to spend whatever is left. It sounds simple, but most people don't do it. Create a budget that ensures you're always spending less than your income. Focus on needs versus wants. Cut unnecessary expenses like impulse purchases. Wealthy people control their spending and invest the difference. Wealth isn't built by just saving, it's built by investing. Put your money into stocks, real estate, or businesses that generate passive income. Start early. Thanks to compound interest, even small investments grow over time. For example, if you invest $500 per month from age 25, you could have over $1 million by retirement. Not all debt is bad. Wealthy people use good debt to make more money. Bad debt includes credit card debt and car loans, which have high interest and no return. Good debt includes mortgages, student loans, and business investments, which have low interest and create wealth. A simple rule: if debt doesn't help you make more money, avoid it. The average millionaire has multiple income streams. Don't rely on just one paycheck. Create side hustles, businesses, or investments. Examples include freelancing, YouTube, stocks, real estate, and digital products. In today's world, one income source is too risky. Wealth starts in the mind before it appears in your bank account. Read books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad, or The Psychology of Money to learn how wealthy people think. Believe that you can build wealth because mindset determines your actions. Now that you know these 5 financial principles, the question is, which one will you apply first? Comment below which principle stood out to you. Like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more tips on building wealth and achieving financial freedom. See you in the next video.